And welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to use reserve wireless charging in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, open settings now. In settings, scroll down, click on battery, scroll down, click on wireless power sharing. Now in wireless power sharing, click on battery limit, set battery limit. After set the battery limit, click on OK. And now put the center of your phone back to back with another device. If you have trouble connecting or charging is slow, remove any cover from each device. Then turn on this button. This is how you can use reserve wireless charging in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.